You're looking at the first light wheel kit from Hyde Motorsports, Indianapolis, Indiana. Hyde Motorsports, Indianapolis, Indiana. 317-809-2860. My first design on wheel kits, light wheel kits. Hyde Motorsports, Indianapolis, Indiana. Hyde Motorsports. Hyde Motorsports. These are available for your bike. Any bike you have. I can put these wheel light kits, body lights, on your ride. Give me a call. Hyde Motorsports, 317-809-2860. Call for pricing. Hope you like what you've seen. Once again, Hyde Motorsports, Indianapolis, Indiana. 317-809-2860. See you later.